Hello, I'm Avery. This is Online Income Network. Today's video is going to be a little different because I am going to be explaining to everybody that I am going to start a journey with Amazon FBA. I decided after years of knowing about it to go ahead and jump in and give it a shot. If you don't know what Amazon FBA is, basically it's where you can become a seller on Amazon. You'll see Amazon sellers, what they do is if they don't have a product already, they'll buy a product from China and then they'll ship it over to Amazon warehouse and then they'll start selling it that way. That's what I'm going to do. I don't have a product right now, so I'm going to use Alibaba. I'm going to go on Alibaba.com, find a product that I want to buy, and then I'm going to buy it from there, get it shipped over here, and then sell it online. I was contemplating on whether or not I wanted to show Alibaba off in this video or not. But I mean, really, Alibaba is nothing different than any other type of website to buy stuff off of. You go up there, you put in a search, you search for something like, let's say, earbuds, and then you'll see a bunch of different earbuds up there. And all those are from, I ain't gonna say all those are from a different manufacturer, but you'll see different manufacturers up there. So you can pick an earbud that you like, click on it. You'll see the earbud style. It has some descriptions of the earbud, and then you can see the manufacturer. And then up there, you see that you can contact the manufacturer and negotiate a price. Tell them how much you want, tell them how many you want, not how much, and go from there. I'm not going to show the actual product that I'm working on. I'm going to show off a couple of other ones just to show you the process because I don't want y'all to become competition for me. Yeah, so like I was saying, Amazon FBA, I'm gonna try it out. I'm excited to get started. I already know what I want to do. I already did my research, so my next video will be showing off that research, and then I'll have another video talking about Alibaba, going up there and trying to talk to a manufacturer. And then after that, I'm thinking about doing a sign up with Amazon FBA to show that off as well. And then after all that, I'll have to make another video probably explaining, hey, I'll figure out after that because it's going to be quite a bit of time from the time I actually buy the product and to the time that it gets shipped over here to Amazon warehouse, and even more so because of the coronavirus, that whole situation. So that's going to, spread things out, or it's going to back up things a lot more, unfortunately. So hopefully things don't get backed up too much because I am excited on doing it and I want to go ahead and get it started. So hopefully like the information in this video, I know it wasn't a lot, but sorry about that, I guess. I'm just saying, man, I just wanted to do this to, just have first of a playlist for this, on my own journey for it. So hopefully I didn't bore you or anything with it. If you are thinking about doing Amazon FBA yourself, let me know in the description box. If you haven't heard about it, let me know in the description box. Let me know in the comment section about it. And also let me know, I was gonna say what products you were looking at, but you ain't gotta do that because I don't want to seem like I'm taking any of y'all products or nothing like that. So instead, I'll say, what is this another question I could ask instead? How long have you known about Amazon FBA? How about that? If you like the video, go ahead and like, subscribe, hit the bell notification to get notified about new videos that come out from me because I do videos every week. And in the meantime of doing these Amazon FBA videos, check out my other videos, and I'll have more of my other videos coming out because I'm still doing those as well. Thanks for watching.